Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's video is all about learning how to cut a camisole or a singlet, whichever one you choose to call it. A camisole or a singlet is something you wear inside before the actual clothes. So if this looks like something you would love to learn, please keep on watching. So I've already folded my fabric into two this way. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to mark my shoulder measurement. So I'll mark 5 for my shoulder. You know, this is the camisole, right? So I'm only marking 5. Then on that point, I'm going to come down to mark my arm length. So I'm marking 6.5 for my arm length. And I'm going to connect the two dots together. And I'll also roll that across. So the next thing is to take the rest of the measurement. So I'm going to place my tape from up here and I'm going to come down to mark my waist measurement, which is 14. I'll roll that across. And I'll also mark the length of my camisole. This one depends on what you want. It depends on how long or short you want it. So I mark 18 for mine and I'll roll that across as well. So I'll come down here to mark my neck. I mark 5.5 for my neck depth. So on this arm length, I'm going to come down by 3 inches. I'm going to come down by 3 inches here. Then on the chest line, I'm going to divide my bust by 4. Then I'll mark it right there. My bust divided by 4 is 8.2. I'll mark it there. Then I'll add 2 inches for sewing allowance. Then I'll connect it all the way from that 3 inches I came down like so, and I'll also connect it to the neck. So the next thing is to impute my waist measurement divided by 4. I'll mark it on the waistline. Then I'll add 2 inches for allowance. So whatever I have on the waist, I'm going to bring it down to the hemline and add 1 inch to it since it's not up to my hip. So I'll just connect all the dot together like so. So we are done with the front piece. I'll just go ahead and cut it out. So this is basically it for camisole. It's very simple. It's a very simple tutorial. So at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do where to hit on the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel and do where to like this video. Drop your comment as well, okay? Thank you so much for doing that. So this is it, guys. This is the front piece. So we are going to use this front piece to cut out the back. So this is it for the cutting of camisole, okay? It is very simple. Like I said before, guys, if you are watching this video right now and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do wait to subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop new video, okay? So that you don't have to search for my channel every time. Once your notification is on, anytime I drop new video, you will be the first person to be notified, okay? Thank you so much for doing that, because I know you are going to subscribe before the end of this video, and do wait to like as well. Thank you. So this is it, guys. We now have the both piece, the front and the back. So what I'm going to do next is to go ahead and cut facing for the both pieces, okay? So I've already gone ahead to do that. I've cut facing for the both piece. The one we're going to use to turn the armhole, the neck. You can actually use your bias to do this if you have, okay? But if you have enough fabric, you can also use it. So we are going to use all of this to turn the neck and the armhole, all right? So we also have something like a strap for the hand. So this is what we are going to use to create that strap. So this is 1 inch wide and 11 inches long. I'll go ahead and sew. So this is the end result. I'm very sorry that I could not show the sewing part. I actually completed the sewing in the night because I needed to wear this inside a cloth to somewhere the following day, so I could not wait till the next day to complete the sewing. I'm so sorry that I could not film the sewing part, but it's not so different from what you've been doing on this file. Okay, it's just to turn the neck, the armhole, and then to join the both sides together. This camisole doesn't have zip or any other thing. Is just to join the side, turn the neck, and then put the strap like the normal way of you putting your hand. Okay, so it's not so different from what you've been doing. Pardon me, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye.